How much to rent U-Haul truck? Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how much does it cost to rent a U-Haul truck, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you are looking to rent a truck for some reason on U-Haul and then you would like to figure out how much is it, you will actually get the price when you come to the website and then try to fill out a form. So you can come to uhaul.com. here you don't need to log in or do anything. Right at here you'll find trucks and trailers. So first you can simply actually select your city or location depending upon whatever else it is that you prefer, right? And once you've done that, you can select your drop-off location, and now you can just select a pickup date as well. Once done, you can just tap the get rates option in order to get an average rate of how much your trucks or your trailer is actually going to cost over here. So if you want a pickup truck, that's going to cost you up to $19 a day, and similarly depending upon how much ever days you wanted, the cost is going to vary depending upon what else you prefer in this case. So this way you can figure out how much is it to rent a U-Haul truck. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.